Hi there, students. The prefix co. Okay, the prefix co means together, means with. It means jointly. It gives the idea of partnership or collaboration, joint actions, to co-manage. Okay, to do things together, a co-author, or to coexist, cooperation, the process of working together. So co, joint, mutual, joint action. Also perhaps partnership or equality, people sharing a task or the same status, a co-worker, a co-founder, joint action, to coexist, but also co as an auxiliary role, somebody who assists or shares part of the responsibility, but often in a secondary role. So for example, a co-pilot. Or in mathematics, co refers to the complement of an angle. Okay, you get the complement of an angle by subtracting your angle from 90 degrees. So if you've got 30 degrees, the complement of 30 degrees is 60 degrees, as in cosine or secant. And this is something in mathematics. Okay, so co-worker, co-founder, co-star. He will co-star in the new movie. Please cooperate with the police. She is the co-founder of the charity organisation. They will co-manage the project together. As a co-conspirator, he was also sentenced to 15 years in jail. Okay, so co. Your co-worker. She enjoys having lunch with her co-workers every Friday. The two professors decided to co-author a textbook. It's a city where modern tradition, modern technology and old tradition coexist peacefully, to cooperate, to work together. The project was successful because the different departments chose to cooperate. Okay, the co-pilot, the assistant pilot, took control of the aircraft. So co-education, mixed with boys and girls together. Okay, so co-education is what happens in most schools, except some of the posh public schools in the UK. So together, working together, they cooperated. Okay, so jointly, together, mutually. Or a partner or an associate, a co-founder, to the same degree, to the same extent, coextensive, or the complement of an angle, as I said before, a cotangent. This is a co-production. It was made mutually between various people. Okay, in mathematics, the complement of an angle, so the other part of it, the other side. So co-author, co-anchor in a news program, co-author, co-authorship, a co-chairman, a co-channel. Okay, so it's got all of this meaning of together, of at the same time. So formality. I think most of these are nearly all are a 5 informality, a co-worker, a cooperative society. So use them anywhere. So co as a prefix. Bye for now.